Meaning of egg rolling.
Egg rolling.
Egg rolling.
Egg rolling.
Egg rolling. Egg rolling typically refers to the act of rolling Easter eggs across a lawn or field as part of an Easter egg hunt. The objective is for children or participants to collect as many eggs as possible that have been hidden by organizers. The result of egg rolling is a fun and exciting game that promotes friendly competition and encourages teamwork. Participants have a great time rolling colorful eggs across the grass, and the one who collects the most eggs is often declared the winner. Overall, egg rolling is a beloved tradition during the Easter holiday season.